Show to power.
Are you 11?
Yeah!
Hey,
Oh,
stick your wrist out.
man, awesome. Thank you, sir. Oh, wait. What's up, YouTube? It's Tafu Jangwoo.
And Ashley Yao means
Today we are going to Ashley's school for Halloween event, trunk or wait.
treat.
Tree. Let's go. We are here at Ashley's school. Ta-da! Hey, 11. She's 11.
Hi.
Jogging. Let's go. Trunk or tree. So there's a car.
Wow.
Finally, this time outside. Last year, inside. Due to
That's a
inclement weather.
Mr. Lewis!
Where?
I saw him right here! Hi, Mr.
He would know.
Maybe.
I know your name. Your name is Ashley.
Yes, ma'am. Say thank you.
Thank you.
I was going to say your nose is bleeding.
The Stranger Things 11, her character was had bleeding when she used power. They try to put it.
Thank you.
And guess what? Show your power.
Oh my goodness.
Are you 11?
Yes, ma'am. Yeah, you got it. You got
Another
it.
team! Echo team! Another Encanto!
Oh, not that Encanto. Over there. Trick or treat.
Hi!
Do not touch your face.
Trunk or treat. Hello, Miss Ashley. Happy Halloween.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you. Say trick or treat. Nothing is pressure. So funny.
Oh, that's so funny. Don't show off.
Huh?
I don't want to show my powers anymore.
Why?
I just...
You have to.
No!
Oh, whatever. Trick or treat. Two. Yep. Watch out, baby there. Yeah. Say trick or treat. You need to show your power. Hurry up.
No!
You know her, right? The character.
Do it!
Stranger Things 11. Yes, ma'am.
Come on, come back now. You gotta get it.
Say thank you. Thank you, ma'am. Trick or treat.
Trick or treat, dinner!
Oh my God, so awesome. Guys, it's so awesome.
Do you want to join my coven?
No.
You want to become a witch like me and practice the dark arts? Look, I have a spell book. It's a nice book.
Trick or treat!
Trick or treat.
Thank you!
Yes, thank you, sir.
You're welcome.
Show to power.
Are you 11?
Yeah. Oh,
Stick your wrist out.
man, awesome. Thank you, sir. Finally, Mr. Sofu.
This
I got to share 40 stickers.
And then we need a picture.
Yes.
Last year we didn't take a picture. I don't know why.
Happy Halloween!
Show your power. What is that? That's it. Yeah!
Stranger Things!
Yeah!
Echo team! Echo team!
Gotcha.
Hey,
Trick or treat.
Thank you!
Hey, finally, Mrs. Chris. Hey, what? Go over there, go.
lipstick.
Okay. Trick or treat. Trick or treat.
Trick or treat!
Yeah, go. Your candy.
There we go. Your outfit's so cute, Ashley.
Thank you. She has the power. You have to be careful. One day she said, Mommy, I really opened the door. Oh my God.
No, I don't want it.
Thank you. Thank you, Aloy. You don't want a picture? No? Trunk or treat. Thank you, ma'am. Oh, finally. Yes. This is your whole family.
Legit.
Your husband.
Bruno.
Tanya, you gotta do the Greek statue pose. You have to do the Greek statue.
Go, trunk or treat. You want a picture? Yeah. Okay. We are done. Say thank you. Happy Halloween. Many candy, no many candy. Oh, we need more candy.
No,
No.
nutty.
Nutty. So we done.
I said yes.
Let's go home. We are done. Now we are going home. It is, what time is it? What time is it? Yep, 6 o'clock, 26. Too dark. I use my flashlight. We had so much fun.
Thank you for watching.
Please subscribe me.
Don't forget the thumbs up.
Bye bye.